All right, we got
Get some miles in on it, but yeah, Paul's gonna be starting the race, and then he's racing mile 4:20. We are doing his driver change, and then Keith Smith is hopping in with Wes Porter as a navigator.
so just splitting it, 2 drivers. Yeah, keep it tight, right?
Yes, sir. We're hoping less fatigue on the drivers, and hoping for smooth run and get finished.
You want to thank anybody else for the team?
Yeah, I mean, I'd like to thank Paul for giving us this opportunity. Keith Smith, SDR Racing, RDE for we raced California 300, so between him and KDM Shocks, they were able to turn everything